Hello again to everybody. This video is for everybody, but especially regards our Muslim brothers. Okay? So please bear with me. In order to understand my videos, you need to have high knowledge of anatomy, ultrasound anatomy, and to leave aside a lot of lies. In order to understand my video, you need to do all that. So you have to watch my videos with a clear mind. Okay. So in my other video, I demonstrate how our Earth is a baby, is a living being that we call God, is our God, our Lord, and we live inside Him. Okay. Now, for curiosity, who have the courage to watch my videos, you can watch my other videos that regard this subject to fully understand what I'm trying to say and show. So, first of all, my videos are a call for peace and for understanding of who we are and why we are here. Okay. So today, this video will talk about the Peninsula Arabica, okay, Arabia, especially about this zone, okay, geographical zone here, and that I've discovered, okay, this geographical zone, that I discovered there is a part of the iliac bone. Let's pronounce together this name, iliac bone. Okay. Now, the iliac bone that I will show you have the encased part of the femoral bone. Okay. In this video that I find on YouTube, we talk about this, the iliac bone, and the encasement of the femoral bone. The femoral bone have two heads, one head and another head here. Okay. So what we are seeing in Google Earth is part of this iliac bone and the femoral, head bone. So I made screenshot of this part of the map here, and here I drawing for you the encasement of this femoral encasement. Okay. So our Muslim brother said that here is Mecca. Okay. Now will tell to you that here is the big Mecca and here is the little Mecca, and all those two bones are part of one head bone, this one. Okay. That's why the mosques, have that cupola, the round cupola, okay, above. That's why also, as I explained in my other video about the Scythians, okay, that's why the Ottomans have this hat, the turban, okay, because as the Scythian cap resemble the liver, okay, also this part, okay, resemble the turban, headdress of the Ottomans, Okay, so it's perfect, it's anatomic, it's perfect. This is the proof, okay, that we are living in the God's body, okay, and by us is request the peace and healthy, okay, of this body. And that's why it's said, and our Muslim brother said, that they are the seed of Abraham, and to Abraham was said that is bone of my bone, because he is a bone, okay, and they are strong people and very important. Now obviously that Mecca was set by the rock of our salvation, okay, that it's rotating, okay, that's why people rotate around, Mecca. But I'm telling you that this big is Mecca and this is the little Mecca, because the iliac bone, okay, have encased in the iliac bone, the femoral bone, and the femoral bone have two heads, the big head, okay, the big Mecca, and the little Mecca, and here is that valley between, okay, here, okay, is that valley. So okay, now it's very difficult to me because many lying hands that are the hands of the liars, wrote in the ancient books lies, and I want to say that all the world was lied about, and the very old and pure manuscripts wrote the truth, okay, and the Scythians, okay, respect their tradition and put on their head the Scythian cap. Muslim brothers also put their turban on their head into remembering what people they are and where they belong, okay. So it's sad that instead of being friends, and another thing is that the liver is in the body is processing the fat and is sending fat to all all the organs that need fat, or so to speak oil, okay, in order to move our articulation, okay, our articulation in our body need oil, okay, so this oil is processed by our liver and sent to those parts. So the liver is very important. So a liver that was not protected, and now it's not fat enough, okay, have not enough nourishment. It's very difficult for this organism to nourish with fat the articulations of the bones, okay. So I made few videos, or maybe one or two, I don't remember now, about the similarity and the importance of the Scythians and the Muslim brothers, and how they were linked together as brothers, and how in the religion was said to the Muslim brothers to protect the Christians, because a protected liver, okay, it's a healthy organism. And seems that by means of the virus people, this failed, and now this organism is sick, okay, and is in debt with interest, and all the body is in suffering, okay. I wish to do or to say other things that are more harsh, okay, in order to be better understood, but seem that because the liver was conquered and destroyed, okay, now the true Muslims, okay, are suffering too much and have no, so to speak, oil, but it's not that oil, okay. So we are living now in a stressed and sick body because of our faults, because of our hate, and not brotherhood between us, okay. So if you have questions, put your questions in the comment section, and be polite, and I will try to answer, okay, because yeah, you are bone of my bones, said the Lord. Who's the Lord? The Lord is our Lord, is one, is this baby earth, okay, and we live inside him. Check my videos for the better understanding of who we are, where we live, and what is requested by us, okay. I hope that I was explicitly clear, and we will see us or hear us in my next video, okay. Think about it. Maybe you did not defend the good people, and maybe because of the virus you turn against the good ones instead of help. So bye bye for now.